Welcome to my video on how to make clamps for the Dremel Workstation. I started out with a piece of 3/4 inch plywood where I laid out my design. Then I went down to my workshop where I used my bandsaw to cut out the design that I had drawn. After that, I quickly sanded it to remove any imperfections. Then I went back to my bandsaw where I made a 45-degree cut on the end of every piece. And I also sanded that. Then I used my Dremel to make a 1/4 inch hole in the center of the circle of every piece. I also made a hole near the end of all the pieces. Then using the cutting wheel on my Dremel, I made a groove between the two holes of the clamps. After that, I sanded the groove to make sure it was flat. For the assembly, I just fit a screw through the bottom of the piece, then a washer on the top, as well as a nut. Then to use the clamps, you just need to fit them through the groove on the table. After that, I just used my fingers to tighten the screws. I also used a wrench and some pliers to tighten it even more. Make sure you don't tighten this all the way, you just need to tighten it enough so that you can hold your workpiece down. And you can see that the piece won't even move. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like it.